Junghee from Hello K Cooking Class.
Ba-ba-bam! Ta-da! Ta-da-da! Super fresh crab. Just 1 hour ago, it was alive. It's super hot in Korea, so it's finished. We need to do this as soon as possible. There are 2 different flavors of marinated raw crabs in Korea. One with soy sauce, one is sweet and spicy, beautiful seasoning. Soy one is classic. I much prefer the red, a little bit spicy and sweet, that seasoning. So today we will make the red sauce marinated raw crab. So first step, we need to wash these crabs. Let's jump! Clean. With brush. Please make it clean. This knuckle is quite dirty part, and mouth also. And rinse. And we need to make it open like that. And let's get rid of this part. And we need to open this part gently, like that. Ooh. So inside, there are really great flavor of natural sauce. So we need to save it. So you should get super fresh crab. And this part, we don't use it, so let's get rid of it. And the legs, except the main legs, these thin legs, there is no meat. So the end up part, let's get rid of it. And the main legs, please break the knuckle. Please break all the knuckles. My baby is singing. Please break the end up part because we need to make a hole. Yep. Then, ta-da! Rest of the main leg also. Break the knuckle. And this one also. Break the end up part. And we need to make a hole. And this. If you have a really big crab, please make it 4 divided. But my one is just okay size, so I'm just making half. And this mouth part, get rid of it. Also, get rid of this part. We cannot eat this part. So let's get rid of it. So it's done. One more. Yeah. So quickly, I will show you once again. I've got back. I've just washed it and I drained and I have cleaned. Correct. So we need to make a sauce. Let's talk about ingredients. Spicy chilies, I prepared 2, but if you don't like super spicy or extra spiciness, you can just skip it. And 1 spring onion, you don't need to care about the weight, just like around. And half spoon of ginger. You can prepare the minced one. Garlic, 1 handful, around 2 big spoons of minced garlic, chili powder, red pepper, sugar, salt, soy sauce. I prepared the rice syrup instead of this one. You can prepare oligosaccharide or corn syrup. Sesame seed, sesame oil, pepper. This is Korean strong alcohol. You can prepare any different types of alcohol, but it doesn't have strong flavor. Cooking alcohol. Yeah, everything's ready. Let's cut spring onion first. And let's move to the natural sauce. Oh my god, my eyes. I'm adding 2 spicy chilies. And let's add to the sauce bowl and ginger. Garlic. and red chili. And 5 spoons of chili powder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 spoon of cooking alcohol. 1 spoon of sugar. And 1 spoon of rice syrup because for the texture, it will look glossy. Big 2 dash of pepper. 1 big pinch of salt. Soy sauce. And 1 and 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Enough of sesame seeds. And mix, mix, mix. Bless me. Mixing, mixing, mixing. Let's mix. I need to check the flavor. So good. Sauce is done. So let's put all of this sauce to the press. It's raw crab, right? So we need to gently mix. Otherwise, all the meat will come out. Gently, gently mix it. Oh my god. Hey guys, can you believe it? The marinated raw crab is done. Ooh. Thank you for watching my channel. See you next time. Bye bye. You can eat straight away, but please put into the refrigerator. And then if you try tomorrow, it will be a lot tastier. I'm ready to eat the marinated crabs. We call it actually 양념게장. 양념게장. So exciting. Beautiful. See. Can you believe it? Sweet. Not because of the sugar or rice syrup. Because of this meat, it's really fresh, so it's super sweet. How's the texture? Actually, quite similar with mashed potato. Perfect. And I'm letting you know one of my favorite way of eating this 양념게장. I will make 양념게장 bibimbap. Squeeze this meat with sauce. And let's add some of seaweed and point is sesame oil. Mix, mix, mix. And look at it. One big mountain full of 양념게장 bibimbap. Please come in. Thank you for giving